So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be how can you make extra money using an app from your phone. So if you're interested in making extra money using an app from your phone, then stay tuned. Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel, a place where you get hair, makeup, and weight loss tips, and sometimes ways to make money. You guys, I am really thinking that I should have just named my channel the Miscellaneous Channel, because I typically do things that I am just interested in or just spur of the moment things. It is not just a beauty channel, it is not just a weight loss channel, it is not just a hair channel. It's a miscellaneous channel. So I'm just that drawer in the kitchen where you just put all different things in. That's my channel. Okay you guys, so I'm just going to be talking about an app called Wag. Wag is a dog walking service offered in most major cities, so you might want to look and see if it is offered in your city. And I know for sure that it is offered for iPhone users. I'm not too sure about Android, so you might want to check on that one also. So from the customer side of things, I would think that people use the Wag service like if they're at work or if they're out of town, or if they're sick, or they're just lazy for the day and they don't feel like walking their dog. To become an actual worker for Wag, the entire process took like about a week and a half, and I've been having the Wag app on my phone for like a couple of weeks, and I finally decided to go on my first walk today. So when I got the ping this morning, I was actually in the middle of my morning walk. If you watch my weight loss journey, then you would know that I walk like every single morning. So I'm just like walking and stuff, and then I get the ping to my phone and I clicked it, and I'm just like, oh my god, I was so nervous. Like I really did not know what to expect. And I was only like 5 minutes away from the place, so I'm like, you know what, I walk every day for free, so why not get paid for it, you know? So when you click on the ping, it will tell you, of course, the location of the dog. Sometimes they will include the description of the dog, and sometimes they will include a picture. They also tell you like what time the dog is supposed to be walked, the amount of time, which can range between 20-30 minutes and an hour. And they will also tell you the pay, and at that point you can either click accept or decline or just completely ignore it. So let's say that you do accept the walk. The first thing that you should see is directions to where the dog is located, and it will have like this little box that you can click with instructions like how to get inside of the gate, if it's an apartment, like where's the key located, because most of the time the owner is not home, so you will never see the owner. And they have like this little Wag box they send to you in the mail once you sign up with them, and it comes with a 3-digit code, and it'll say like, oh, the 3-digit code is this. And it will also have like things about the dog, like if the dog doesn't react well to other dogs, or if the dog is allergic to this or allergic to that. And if you are interested in knowing what is a Wag lockbox, you will see it in the clip at the end of this video. So let me tell you a little bit about the dog that I got. I was so fortunate to get a small cute little puppy. He was so freaking cute, and he just got neutered, so he had the little cone thing around his head, and he was so small, like he was like this big, and he was so strong. Like when we got outside, he was like pulling me. I was like, okay, this dog is really strong to say he's so small. So when I got the ping, I ended up going to this apartment complex, and they just gave me like the gate code and the Wag lock code. And when I got into the house, I just grabbed the leash, grabbed the dog, locked the door back, went downstairs, went for the walk. We walked like 0.7 miles in 20 minutes. 20 minutes, that's how fast this dog was walking, y'all. So at the end of your walk, you are required to post pictures of the dog and like comment whether it pooped or peed, or you know, just let them know what their dog did, because owners care a lot about their animals, so you have to be like on it. Like take pictures of the dog, you know, write nice things like, OMG, your dog was so cute, your dog was so funny, ha ha ha, stuff like that. So I'm going to move right along to the pay, because that's why you're here. You're here to know how much do they pay. To me, I feel like they pay rather well. So you get paid, I think it's once a week, to this app called Payable, and my first walk was around $12. So I walked the dog 20 minutes for $12. In my opinion, I don't think that's bad, because a lot of people are getting paid $12 to work a full hour of hard labor. And I also got another ping that I did not accept, was like $15 for a 20-minute walk. So there is money to be made, you guys. There is no reason you should be broke. It is 2018. You better get out there and walk some dogs. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you wear the WAG shirt and put the WAG bandana on the dog's neck, then you get $1 bonus. It's not much, but $1 if you walk a dog. Like, let's say you walk 3 dogs for 7 days, that is what, an extra $21. So that is not bad. But I'm sad to say that I did not receive a shirt nor the dog collar. I don't know if I'm supposed to purchase that with my own money or if they actually send it to me. I will be looking into that. So let's say you do sign up for WAG. You get processed, you get all of that ready. Let me tell you some things that you absolutely will need. I wrote down some notes, so don't mind me looking down. The first thing that you're gonna need is hand sanitizer. Please get some hand sanitizer, because when I picked that dog up, he kind of like tinkled on my hand just a little bit. It was like the most disgusting thing I have ever experienced in my life. So make sure you keep some hand sanitizer. This is just hand sanitizer by Bath and Body Works, Beautiful Day. If you haven't smelled Beautiful Day, then you're wasting your life away. And another thing that you're gonna need is an extra leash. Like, okay, you would think because they have a dog, they will have a leash, but that's not always true. So make sure you're just prepared. Another thing that you're gonna need is your phone and some headphones, okay? I would really recommend it you get the Bluetooth wireless headphones, because sometimes you might be walking more than one dog at a time, or the dog is just wild all over the place and he might pull on the string or something like that. So earphones, of course, and some dog poopy bag thingies. Yeah, you might need that, like, especially if you're not at an apartment complex. Like, most apartment complexes have those little dog things. If you pick it up from someone's house, 9 times out of 10 there will not be any dog bags. And you might want to bring a bottle of water in case you get thirsty. I mean, I know it's an extra thing to carry around, but if you are one of those people who get dehydrated like really fast, you might want to bring some water. And of course, some pepper spray, you guys. You never know when someone wants to pop off on you, so you have to always keep that thing on you. And a portable charger. This is just the portable charger that I have. Is by Polaroid, and I don't have the card in right now, but this is just the portable charger. And of course, you're going to need a satchel or a fanny pack, and my fanny pack just looks like this because I'm a diva. So the question of the day is, will I be doing this again? I'm going to answer with the yes, I will be doing it again. You know, I walk every morning, so I'm just like, why not get paid for it? So I will be doing it only in the mornings and only in the late afternoons. Like, once the sun has gone away, I might do it, because I live in Houston, Texas. If you guys don't know by now, I do live in Houston, Texas, and it is like a scorching hot outside, like the oven. Get inside of your oven and you're in Houston, Texas. Like, we might be neighbors. And like, the pay is fairly well. So I'm going to be doing it again. Mostly it's going to be like during the fall, like when it cools down completely, and in the wintertime also. So in conclusion, you guys, there are so many ways to make money out here. Like, it is no reason for you to be broke. It is no reason for you to be broke. It is 2018, so you might need to get up and go do something. All you need is a phone and some internet connection, and you just might be able to make some extra money this year. So that is the end of my video. Please enjoy this short, cute little clip. See you guys next time. Bye.
Hey, baby.